Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The shape is a square with a white outer glow creating dimension. The letters FO are in the center of the square. The letters have a hand-drawn artistic appearance. Backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear. There is a transparent mirror image of the logo underneath.
All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about why I purchase sometimes full retail at department stores and why sometimes I purchase discount from online and discount perfumers and perfume sellers such as Sunny's here in Decatur, Georgia, up near me. And the explanation may surprise you, but it would definitely educate you and teach you the best way to purchase, save money, have money, and still smell good, thus looking good, hopefully feeling good and smelling good. And we'll get into it right after this.
Various images of Vashawn Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashawn, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, so the times that I purchase full retail, that's like walking into Macy's and there's something that I like and I'm willing to purchase it from Macy's like right then, is when something is brand new, hot off the presses, and I like it, right? And there is a Givenchy fragrance that I'm gonna get in review that hit me just like that, and it's new and it's not at discounters as of yet, and I want it, right? And so that's the time where I purchase full retail. Other times I'll do what I said in my previous video, which is I'll smell it at the store, ask them, how long has this been out? I like it, I want it, but how long it's been out is a big factor for me. For example, these two fragrances here that haven't been opened, but I've smelled them. I know what they smell like. I know the best season to wear them in, which is Jimmy Choo Man Blue and Coach Platinum. That I haven't opened, but again, I have smell, is I went to the store, I smelled them, I asked her how long had they been out, and she said 2 or 3 years. Okay, well, guess what? How much is that bottle? If I got it from you today, it was $80 for the small bottle of Jimmy Man Blue, and I didn't even ask her about the other one. I would imagine that's 80 to 90 as well. So what do we have? 160, 170 bucks if I would have purchased from her. Guess how much I got those two for? Guess how much I got those two bottles for that I just showed you in the video. 67 bucks for both, right? So if I would have purchased full retail, I would have been paying an extra $100 for something that I could have gotten at a online discounter like FragranceNet or FragranceX or CanadaBuy.Ca or FragranceBuy.Ca, should I say, for the same price, right? So I love the fragrances, but if I can get them for 40 to 60% off, that's a reason for me not to buy it full retail. And with over 100 fragrances in my fragrance wardrobe, it's no reason for me to rush to get it unless, like I said, the Givenchy latest is something that I'm definitely looking to get and wear. And so that's the reason why I would purchase full retail, right? And so get a decant or smell it at the store, find out when it came out, and either get it discounted at a discounter or purchase it right at the store, depending on the situation as to how old it's been out. So listen, let's change the world. Let's look good, feel good, smell good. Vashawn Jones, the Debonair You, and let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.